In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected or view-only Google Sheets. This is a nifty workaround for those times when you need a local copy of a spreadsheet, but the sharing permissions restrict downloading. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to get past that hurdle in no time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Sheet that you need to download. It's important to note that you should have viewing access to this document, as this method won't work otherwise. Once you have the document open in your browser, let's move on to the next step. Now, take a close look at the URL in your browser's address bar. The next step involves a bit of URL editing. Carefully click on the URL. It's usually highlighted automatically, but if not, make sure to select it so you can edit it. This part might sound a little technical, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. The URL typically ends with something like or edit. What you want to do is update this part of the link. Specifically, you're going to replace everything from edit onwards with the word HTML view. So go ahead and find the word edit in the URL, and everything after it should be selected and replaced with HTML view. With your URL updated, you're ready for the next move. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Pressing Enter will send your newly altered URL, and you should notice that the page reloads or changes format to look a bit different than the standard Google Sheets view you're used to. This refresh indicates that you've done the URL tweaking correctly. Now that the Google Sheet has transformed into this new view, you're set to save it. This part involves using your mouse, so listen closely. With your cursor, right-click anywhere on the page. In the menu that appears, and it's usually a long one, you'll find an option that says Save As. Go ahead and click on that option. A Save dialog box should appear on your screen, prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. This method typically saves the web page as an HTML file. Choose your desired folder, give your file a memorable name if you want, and then click Save. And there you have it. You've now successfully downloaded a copy of the protected or view-only Google Sheet to your computer. This HTML view doesn't just make it download-friendly, but it also ensures that the content is preserved even when downloading restrictions are in place. Remember to respect content ownership and privacy when sharing any files you've downloaded this way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to check back for more guides on navigating tools like Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.